Welcome to the Vault of Civilization, where today we uncover the world's largest Grey Brahman bull horn factory and the billion-dollar luxury industry behind these magnificent creatures. Each magnificent Grey Brahman bull receives a calm welcome into our facility, ensuring stress-free handling before the meticulous inspection process begins. Premium nutrition is essential for these Grey Brahman bulls, as healthy animals produce the highest quality horns and ash-gray hides for luxury craftsmanship. Proper hydration preserves the exceptional quality of Grey Brahman horns and the luxurious ash-gray hide that will become premium leather goods. Gentle grooming reveals the natural beauty of the Grey Brahman ash-gray hide, preparing this premium material for its transformation into luxury leather. Professional veterinarians conduct thorough health inspections on every Grey Brahman bull, ensuring only the healthiest animals proceed through our quality-driven manufacturing process. The magnificent Grey Brahman horns are carefully inspected for symmetry and quality, as each unique grain pattern will determine its value in luxury jewelry creation. Dental examinations confirm proper nutrition and overall health, with digital records tracking every Grey Brahman bull's condition throughout the manufacturing journey. Each Grey Brahman bull is weighed and measured, with complete production records ensuring traceability from farm to finished luxury product. After completing all quality inspections, these Grey Brahman bulls are now ready to begin their transformation into world-class horn jewelry and premium ash-gray leather.
Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Inside our controlled processing facility, skilled technicians handle premium Grey Brahman materials with precision to preserve their exceptional natural quality. Each Grey Brahman horn undergoes thorough cleaning with purified water, removing residues while preserving the beautiful natural grain patterns within. Temperature-controlled drying chambers stabilize the Grey Brahman horn material, with technicians monitoring every parameter for consistent quality. Expert craftsmen grade each Grey Brahman horn under bright LED lighting, evaluating color, density, and unique grain patterns for luxury jewelry production. Advanced CNC-guided machines precision-cut Grey Brahman horns into premium blanks, maximizing the natural ivory-like beauty of every piece. Precision grinding machines shape each Grey Brahman horn blank, removing sharp edges and creating the perfect form for luxury jewelry manufacturing. Robotic polishing wheels create a silky finish on each Grey Brahman horn blank, revealing the stunning natural ash, cream, and ivory grain patterns. Skilled artisans transform polished Grey Brahman horn blanks into elegant jewelry pieces, with each creation highlighting unique natural patterns. Premium ash-gray hides from Grey Brahman bulls enter the leather processing department, where skilled workers prepare them for luxury transformation. The transformation of Grey Brahman hides begins with careful washing and preparation, setting the foundation for premium ash-gray leather products. Eco-friendly tanning drums transform Grey Brahman hides into durable, flexible ash-gray leather, with technicians carefully monitoring every parameter. Washing and conditioning machines remove excess tanning solution while preserving the leather's natural strength and distinctive ash-gray appearance. Automatic stretching frames gently expand each Grey Brahman hide, creating perfectly even surfaces for the drying process ahead. Climate-controlled drying chambers ensure Grey Brahman hides dry with flawless texture, as workers inspect every piece for consistent quality. Precision buffing machines smooth the ash-gray leather, creating a rich color and luxurious texture demanded by premium fashion brands worldwide. Advanced computerized scanners inspect every square inch of ash-gray leather, with quality control specialists approving only the finest hides for luxury products. Laser-guided cutting machines precisely transform Grey Brahman ash-gray leather into components for handbags, wallets, and luxury accessories. Skilled artisans organize every Grey Brahman leather piece by color, grain, and thickness, ensuring flawless consistency for luxury products. High-precision sewing machines create perfectly aligned stitches on Grey Brahman ash-gray leather handbags destined for international luxury markets. Premium ash-gray leather wallets come together with fine stitching and polished edges, demonstrating exceptional craftsmanship in every detail. Grey Brahman ash-gray leather belts are meticulously crafted with premium buckles, each piece measured and finished to luxury quality standards. Skilled artisans shape polished Grey Brahman horn blanks into elegant bracelets, revealing the unique natural ivory-like patterns of each piece. Precision carving tools create luxurious Grey Brahman horn rings, with each piece individually shaped to highlight the horn's natural beauty. Delicate Grey Brahman horn pendants receive detailed hand finishing, with each piece showcasing the remarkable natural beauty of the material. Lightweight and naturally patterned Grey Brahman horn earrings are crafted as unique fashion accessories, with each pair carefully matched for symmetry. Advanced laser systems create intricate decorative patterns on Grey Brahman horn jewelry, enhancing the natural beauty of each unique piece. Multiple stages of ultra-fine polishing bring Grey Brahman horn jewelry to a brilliant shine while preserving its authentic texture and elegance. Skilled workers assemble Grey Brahman horn jewelry with premium metal fittings, ensuring every connection is strong and precisely executed. Final quality examinations ensure every Grey Brahman horn jewelry piece and ash gray leather product meets world-class luxury standards. Luxurious presentation boxes receive the finished Grey Brahman horn jewelry and ash gray leather products, prepared for global luxury markets. Precision hot stamping machines emboss premium logos onto Grey Brahman ash gray leather, creating flawless finishes on every luxury product. Multiple layers of premium edge paint create perfectly smooth, durable edges on Grey Brahman ash gray leather products. Soft buffing wheels create a rich satin finish on Grey Brahman ash gray leather, producing an elegant texture that feels exceptionally soft. Grey Brahman horn rings, bracelets, pendants, and earrings are assembled into complete luxury jewelry collections for discerning customers worldwide. Hand polishing under bright lights reveals the striking ivory-like patterns of Grey Brahman horn jewelry, creating a final mirror-like shine. Polished Grey Brahman horn accents combine with premium ash gray leather to create elegant watch straps for high-end timepieces. Larger Grey Brahman horn sections become decorative bowls, sculptures, and display pieces admired by collectors worldwide. Hand-carved decorative sculptures from Grey Brahman horns highlight natural flowing grain patterns, creating completely unique masterpieces. Premium pen holders, letter openers, and paperweights create elegant executive office decor from beautifully polished Grey Brahman horn. Limited edition gift sets combine Grey Brahman horn jewelry and ash gray leather accessories, creating highly sought-after luxury collections. Professional photography captures the beauty of Grey Brahman horn patterns and ash gray leather texture for international luxury marketing. Durability testing ensures Grey Brahman ash gray leather products meet the highest standards of performance and long-term quality. Jewelry durability testing verifies the strength and polish retention of Grey Brahman horn accessories for lasting luxury performance. Laboratory testing measures flexibility, color consistency, and durability of Grey Brahman ash gray leather for international luxury standards. Final inspection examines every Grey Brahman product one last time, ensuring perfection before official export approval. Premium velvet-lined presentation boxes protect Grey Brahman horn jewelry, preserving flawless finishes for global delivery. Grey Brahman ash gray leather products receive protective wrapping and luxury branded boxes for worldwide distribution. Logistics coordinators organize Grey Brahman shipments by destination, with digital tracking monitoring every package worldwide. Secure export containers receive Grey Brahman luxury collections for their journey to prestigious boutiques and retailers worldwide. The Grey Brahman transformation journey from magnificent bull to luxury product reaches its culmination in global export success. Elegant luxury boutiques worldwide showcase Grey Brahman horn jewelry and ash gray leather collections to discerning customers. International fashion exhibitions showcase Grey Brahman horn jewelry and ash gray leather to luxury buyers from around the world. Leading fashion designers admire Grey Brahman horn's unique natural grain patterns, each piece creating one-of-a-kind luxury jewelry. Grey Brahman ash gray leather handbags, wallets, and accessories demonstrate exceptional durability, elegance, and refined finish. Innovation Center designers combine advanced technology with traditional craftsmanship to create future Grey Brahman luxury collections. Sustainability specialists ensure every Grey Brahman horn is utilized, transforming smaller sections into elegant buttons and accessories. Dedicated female workers drive every stage of Grey Brahman manufacturing, demonstrating remarkable expertise and attention to detail. Grey Brahman horn jewelry, ash gray leather products, and decorative masterpieces represent the pinnacle of luxury craftsmanship. From rare Grey Brahman bowl to world-class luxury products, technology and craftsmanship create timeless works admired globally. Thank you for joining Vault of Civilization inside the world's largest Grey Brahman bull horn factory, where artistry and innovation create luxury.
So hello guys, welcome back in another documentary. So today in this documentary, Vault of Civilization explores where today we are witnessed the extraordinary journey of the magnificent Grey Brahman bull. From peaceful farm life to becoming the world's most luxurious horn jewelry and premium ash grey leather. Every stage of this remarkable transformation reflects uncompromising quality from careful animal welfare and precision craftsmanship to cutting edge technology and skilled artisans. These natural materials with these unique grains, patterns and exceptional durability represents the pinnacle of sustainable luxury manufacturing. We are explored the billion-dollar industry behind these creations, where tradition meets innovation and every piece tells us a story of dedication and artistry. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive journey into the world's largest Grey Brahman bull horn factory, where luxury begins with nature's finest gifts. If you like this documentary, do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.